Alright, so we're going to be installing the engine guard, aka skid plate, on a 2020 Forester Sport. There aren't any videos on this online. I'll make sure to post the model number in the description in the details. So here's what the factory plastic skid plate looks like, in case you've never seen it. It runs basically parallel with the underbody, which is nice. There's only a couple of screws to remove it. There's one here, there's a couple more in back, and then a whole lot of body clips to remove. So we're just going to get that removed. I'll show you what it looks like once that's taken off, and then we'll show you the plastic factory skid plate next to the steel guard. There's clips on the perimeter on the bottom, and then if you look, there are two straps here and here, and two more clips that you'll have to pop out, and once you pop that, the whole thing should just drop out. Alright, and alright, now we'll go look at the bottom.
Hello, I'm the camera person.
I have one more. Oh, there's one more.
Oh yeah, we found some, or at least I found something under here. It's kind of disgusting. It's pretty gross that that's under his car.
Some kind of bug?
It's like a bug shredded up. There's its face.
Alright.
Here's what the bottom looks like, if you guys were wondering. And then, so, difference between the ones that we have, this one's plastic and ours is metal. Made a bit more better. And then it comes with the side parts too, if you're wondering.
So I don't know if we should paint the side orange or not. It might look weird.
Guys, comment down below.
Because you'll see it right there. I think we should leave the sides black, right?
Maybe. This is to see the comparison of how durable they are. That one does okay. This one barely even does a thing. I mean, go. And then this one, I mean, your engine would probably like, go with this, right?
While the paint's drying, this is what it looks like while it's down with no guard on at all. So you can see the pan back there, you can see the transmission box. Alright, now that everything's dry, we're going to go ahead and get it installed. We've got about 3 or 4 coats of Rust-Oleum orange on here. I'll list that in the description as well. I went for a slightly textured finish, just so that it will mimic some of the flake that's in the accents on the car today. So we'll start getting things bolted up. So you're going to attach the side hanging brackets using the body clips that come with the kit, the new ones. There's one there, and one down there. And then on the other side, it is the same thing. So you have one there, and then one underneath. Alright, so once you got it hung, the hardest part is the spacer right here. You're now going to attach the side brackets. We're going to loose fit everything and just hand tight, and then tighten it up with a ratchet. And then the last thing to do will be to put in the body clips and the oil coverage. You can stop recording. Alright, once you have everything tightened, you're actually going to reuse the same body clips from the oil access pan. I'm sorry, the oil access shield. So it's important that you do not break those. And you're going to just replace that. You're going to take that from your original factory pan. The last thing to do is just to pop in these 4 body clips that are included. So you're going to pop those in on the front. Alright, so here's the final product. You can see just the slightest bit of the hanging bracket there. Not really noticeable unless you're looking for it. Here's kind of the underbody look. Going around. And then to the other side, again, similar hanging bracket. I'll include some pictures for before and after as well.